Hey everyone, welcome back and welcome to probably one of the only videos on your feed today that is not talking about the Erin Condren launch. Alright, so today I'm going to be planning out the week of April 17th through April 23rd in my Plum Paper Vertical Priorities Planner. So I will have videos up about the Erin Condren Life Planner, but I figured the feed was going to be a little EC heavy, and I thought I'd be that person to just do something different. So today I am using this kit from Chrissy Designs. I'm actually not going to need this kit. I ordered it for more of like my daily pages, but this one is one of the celestial themes, and I think it's the one for May. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. And of course I'm going to start with some date covers. So let me grab this 17th. I actually really enjoy the celestial line from Chrissy Designs. Ooh, these numbers are tiny. Well, they're probably pretty normal, but they feel tiny to me. Probably the font, I'm not sure. So anyway, yes, back to what I was saying. I will have content up for the EC launch. I just was like, I want to take my time, and I mean, there's nothing that says that you have to post it on the 17th. It's just that you can post it on the 17th. And I sometimes I get really, really overwhelmed seeing every single, not every single person, because obviously that's not realistic, but every single thing on my feed being about, you know, the same thing. So I was like, well, if that kind of stresses me out, then maybe I shouldn't do that. So I think right now the plan is that I'm going to do 2 videos. Reason being is just there's a lot to go over, and I have a lot of thoughts, and y'all know I love to share my thoughts. So I think the plan is to go over the planners that I received first, that I was gifted, and then go over accessories, because there were a lot of accessories with what they sent me. And again, this will all go up before it's even available, so you have plenty of time to watch. Then you can watch other people's stuff today as well and over the next couple of days. So I'm gonna get it up. I'm just going at my own pace. All right, so date covers down. I feel like this past week was much more jam-packed than what this current week will be, but we'll see. Every time I say that, man, the week just comes along and kicks me right in the butt, you know? So let me get the date covers down first. Okay, and it does come with washi tape, but I think I kind of want to lean towards using the journaling kits like I did a few weeks back. I was really loving how those like journaling kit pieces really looked in here, and yeah, I like that. Now I realize I also don't have a weekend sticker, but that's gonna be okay. But this is kind of what I'm thinking of doing. So I think we'll do the, man, this one's it's fairly large. That is large. I'm trying to think of how these pieces would fit here. So I feel like the yellow can go over here. This is a large piece of journaling kit, but the way that I've been using the pages is like, I feel like I'll still have enough room because I'm not really breaking this up. Like my day starts up here instead of down here. So I think that that'll be okay. And then we'll do the purple, I think, on this side. And yes, it's gonna kind of cover up that mini month, but I'm not really someone that needs like the little month stickers. Actually, I think I want to move that up just a little bit. I do like the way that that looks already. Looks fabulous. Now I kind of want to use one on Sunday, but if I did this one, it would pretty much eat up all of Sunday, so that's not gonna work. So I may just put like a little, maybe something like this. I'm not sure. I could always layer a couple of things to give it a little bit more volume, but not as big as the other pieces. Trying to get creative here. And then since I don't have a weekend sticker, I think I'm just gonna use this one from Hand Can Plan. I'm so glad I grabbed some of the neutral ones because I think that that's gonna look really, really nice on here. Perfect. Okay, so that is done. first up, I kind of want to just do the same thing that I have done before, which is just put my work schedule and then the temperature for each day. And the pen that I will be using is the Zebra Blend in 0.7. They still don't have 0.5, I think, at least not readily available like on Amazon or things like that. I think that they're available through like Stationery Pal, like sites like that, but I haven't seen much else available. I feel like I want to put washi across the top here, but I don't have washi in that color. Okay, so it is a full work week, like no shortened schedule for any events or anything like that. Kayla and I did go to the Savannah College of Art and Design event last Friday. That was really cool. I was just blown away by like just all the little details and just going through the tour of the gallery that we went through. So that was really, really fun. I would love to do that again. And I'm going to work on getting some content over on my TikTok for it. So make sure that you're following me over there. My handle is Julie's Plans, like the same everywhere. Okay, so temperature. Monday is 74.50. Hopefully we have a week that is not full of a ton of rain. Tuesday is 79.54. Last week was just kind of all over the place, and this week it looks like it's going to be a lot better. Wednesday is 83.59. Thursday is going to be 83 with a low of 61. And then Friday is 83.64. Okay, so that's all in there. I need to grab my gray mild liner. Maybe I want a darker one. Nope, the light gray is fine. And I'm just gonna label it kind of how I've done before, which is like maybe today across there, and then I can put some of the to-dos in underneath that. Okay, so on Monday, I have like nothing going on this week. Actually, let's put down videos first because that's just kind of what I love doing. So Monday is going to be this plan with me. I think I'm going to kind of like draw a YouTube symbol. I'm like already regretting this. Like, was this a good idea? I am not a doodler by any means, but trying to get better. Okay, and then Wednesday we will do the new EC planners. And then on Friday, we will do because none of these things are available till the following week, so no rush on my end. And then I'm just going to do new EC accessories. Definitely have to abbreviate because that is not going to fit. But hopefully that schedule will work. I'm actually going to be filming a lot of that today because that's just... That's just the only time that I have. I didn't even get my box until Thursday. For some reason, it was just delayed by a couple of days. And that's fine. I could have done it sometime earlier in the weekend, but we had a lot going on with going to SCAD. And then, yeah, just other things that we had to get done this weekend. So I was like, I'm just going to spread mine out over a couple of videos. Plus, I think that'll be a little bit fun because some people might just want the planning or the planners, and then some people might want other things. So, all right, let's get that journaling kit out of the way. And then Monday is typically more of a like heavier tasks as far as business things go. So I'm gonna do my usual like drawing out my little box because I think that that's so much fun. So I'm going to use a little flag on the Christian Designs stencil. This is the newest one, or second to newest one that just came out. It was the one that you could get if you sat at the CAD table at Go Wild. She did make it available on her website, and I love it because it has this cute little like thought bubble situation on here and just some other fun, like really functional stickers. So just gonna put this here. For some reason, I'm like really loving the page flags, or just the flags. Are they page flags if they're not on a piece of paper? If it's just a stencil, I think it's just a flag, right? Okay, and then that box should go to right about there. Because Mondays, I'm just catching up on all the things, plus sharing the new content, all kinds of fun stuff. Plus, I've been trying to post more to shorts on here. We'll see how that goes. You know, trying to embrace all the things on all the platforms. So, let me grab my dot marker and put in those couple of tasks. Okay, then on Tuesday, I'm going to put this little Good Morning Sunshine sticker. I love this. I love the way the theme is like integrated within this sticker. It's just really, really pretty. And then I'm going to use this little Get It Done little header there, just as kind of like the to-do header. And one thing that I always have to remember with the vertical priorities is that the columns are slightly wider. So got to kind of work on centering some of these stickers. All right, then I'm going to take the dot marker and just put some bullet points there for tasks. I don't know what they're going to be yet, so I'm not going to worry about it. The other sticker I wanted to make sure that I used was this full box that just has some dashed lines on it. What am I going to put on it? I'm not entirely sure. I might just put like this don't forget header, maybe? I think that would look really cute. And then that can be the to-do list for Wednesday. And I just want to make sure I put a couple of like to-do or like little bullet points for working out. And I think I'm going to use this one for Wednesday. And then I want to use one for Tuesday, but it's going to be over the journaling kit. I wonder if that's going to look weird. I guess we're going to find out, right? It's just going to be right on top. There's no rules in planning. Remember that. All right, so there is the first half of the week. All right, now let's move on to Thursday. Again, this is like a pretty, like, there's not a whole lot of events going on for the week. There's just not. And I'm totally okay with that. Super okay with that. Okay, so I'm going to put like the to-dos like right under here, and I'm probably going to make space for like 5 of them, and then do another spot for business things because, you know, always doing business things. This is where it kind of gets tough along the coil with where the flag is on here, but hopefully folding it over will help with that. And then I'm just going to put this right about here. Yeah, I think this will work just fine. And then on this day, it's going to be more of like editing and just following up on anything that I didn't get to from the last couple of days. I really just need to see if I can find someone to make me like transparent stickers with that little like JP logo that I always write like every single week. That would be really cool, right? Like in that size, maybe 2 different sizes would be awesome. Okay, so on Thursday, I'm just going to put my usual to-dos because literally every Thursday is just about the same, simply because Friday's like trash day, all that stuff. And so I like to clean out my pantry. So get rid of anything that's like expired, all of that stuff. And then the same thing, but fridge. And then of course take the trash out. And then I'll leave a couple of bullet points for anything else. And then Thursday is also my payday. So yay. And I think I'm going to use, let's see, I feel like we need some purple on this side of the page. And then of course I'm going to put my little bullet points. If you guys haven't gotten the Zig Clean Color dot markers, you need them in your life. I swear I have purchased so many of these because they are so incredibly helpful with my planning. Like I don't have to buy a lot of dot stickers. My 2 favorite colors are this platinum and the black, because the black you can get like a white jelly roll and just write like over it, like you can do your little check marks or whatever. But these are amazing to have in like your planner, supply, like pen case or whatever. Okay, so that's all I've got for Thursday, and then Friday is just going to be some more to-dos, usually like watering my plants, you know, vacuuming, like a little tidy up situation, kind of like that. And then we are going to have a much needed movie night as a family. What are we watching? I have no idea, but I can tell you right now that this weekend, before you guys even see this, I will be watching the Love is Blind finale and the reunion. Actually, the finale already happened, but the reunion, and I cannot wait. It's going to be, I mean, I wish I was filming this after the fact, but that would be too late. Yeah, I'm super excited to see how things go down. I'm not going to give any spoilers, so do not worry about that here. All right, and then on Saturday, we don't have, I think we're going to actually, because we have ended up rescheduling our visit to the Strawberry Festival, we've got a few weeks, but the weather was like all over the place, and so we decided to postpone, and now the sun is out. I love when that happens. So we're going to do car wash first. And then I'm just going to put some to-dos. I'm not going to put anything like we're doing X, Y, and Z because our Saturday and Sunday plans are typically fairly loose. And then the same on Sunday, except I need to make sure that I make some time to film some content. So I'm going to make a little box. Actually, that might be on Saturday. I lied. That's going to happen on Saturday. And then I'm just going to put one of these little stickers right here. All right, and then Sunday is going to be more like grocery shopping and cleaning of the house. So that's definitely a priority on a Sunday. It's the best way to start the week off though, with like a clean house, you know, laundry done, food in the fridge, all those things. Okay, and then for habits for the week, it's going to be the same as last week. So I'm going to do my medication, vitamins, 80 ounces or more of water, 7 or more hours of sleep, and my audiobook, which is just it's not going well. But maybe this week will be better. I'm going to put the this week sticker on this box over here, and then I can just put like a couple of, you know, things that I think about that need to get done for the week that are like a bigger priority or that I just don't want to forget. Okay, that looks pretty good. I needed to put in a few more workout stickers and I completely forgot, but that's gonna be okay. I promise that I will still work out even if the sticker is not there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's plan with me today. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.